or welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. Today, I have a few big, well known companies hiring. We have like TicketMaster, LiveNation hiring, we have Under Armour hiring, we even have like LexisNexis, some customer support jobs. I think only one of these requires some kind of college degree. Most of these are not going to require any kind of college degree. And as always, links, timestamps, all additional information you may need is always found in the YouTube description box below this video. I do just ask that if you enjoy anything that I share, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button. Now, first up, we have LiveNation, also really kind of known as Ticketmaster. They're one and the same. This is the only one that is location specific. There are a few states that they're hiring in, so we're going to get this one out of the way. They have 2,500 reviews from past and current employees, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars. LiveNation or Ticketmaster is hiring a fan platform support specialist. So this is not like customer service. This is more of a platform support. So like the app support, the web support. So you are going to have to know some kind of a technical knowledge. They are only hiring in a few states, though. They're hiring in Texas, Arizona, Arkansas, Florida, Iowa, and Maine. If you're in one of those states, this is remote, fully remote, work from home. But they're really looking for somebody to review escalations and follow their procedure guidelines to resolve using tools or escalating to the appropriate team, like internal tech tools like EventPro, EMT, TM1 Suite. So you're really evaluating and processing order sync issues. So when customers have tried to place orders on the platform, maybe on the website platform, or maybe even in the app, I know I use the Ticketmaster app a lot to kind of look to see what events are around me. If there are order sync issues, you are going to deal with those. You're going to kind of facilitate the resolution of resale and account issues, advocating for updates on those tools. So you're researching error messages generated from errors and on that happens on tm.com or ticketmaster.com, kind of determining the best case of action. You're also helping write those like FAQ knowledge articles, self-help articles, or taking Slack direction, just trying to solve all of the tech issues. Now, while they don't require any kind of college degree, they are looking for somebody who has an understanding of programming language because you're trying to solve like bugs and tech issues on the website. So they do want somebody who knows like HTML, SQL, things like that. Somebody who has 1 to 3 years experience in some kind of related field, or if you've got experience with the Ticketmaster system, somebody who can be a problem solver and has a great people skills, great social skills. Now, sadly, this did not list pay that will need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. So let me know down in the comments below if you've ever heard of LexisNexis. I've kind of heard it in relationship to like when people talk about credit reporting, you've got the 3 big credit bureaus like TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. And I've always heard of people saying also check your LexisNexis reports. I don't know if it's more in regards to like bank accounts or what. LexisNexis as a company is more like business analytics and data and things like that. But they have a 3,600 reviews from past and current employees with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. They are looking for an associate customer success manager. Now, this is remote for the United States. They do prefer somebody who is either in the Central or Eastern time zones, though. But they're really looking for somebody to help be dedicated to their customers for post-sales support. So after a customer has subscribed to the service or bought the service, bought the things, the solutions that are being sold by LexisNexis, you're there to support them after they're already a customer. So you're really trying to define a set of business information solutions. You're responsible for their product adoption and kind of utilization within the accounts that you're assigned. So once they subscribe and they are like a customer, a paying customer, you give them that one-on-one support they need to teach them kind of how to use the products, how to use the services, any issues that they come across. So you're kind of just doing onboarding for them using, solutions to help them optimize for their best use for their specific business needs. So you're doing training with them, presentations, user campaigns, introduction of new products, new content, kind of like that. So this is going to be a customer service type role. Now, they are looking for somebody who has a bachelor degree or equivalent work experience that would override that degree. So, if you've got a lot of experience, they will take that. They want somebody who can travel just a little bit, somebody who can kind of has experience in like sales or consulting, something like that. Somebody who has great communication skills, great presentation skills. You can kind of work like PowerPoint, different things like that. Now, sadly, they did not list pay that will need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. Now, next up, we have a well-known athletic brand Under Armour hiring. They probably need no introduction. They have 3,500 reviews from past and current employees, an overall employee satisfaction rating at 3.7 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a customer service systems operations analyst. Now, this is remote for the United States. It says remote over here on the side. And then if you scroll all the way down, it does say this is a fully remote position. They're really looking for somebody to kind of lead initiatives that are striving to make every customer touch point a rewarding experience for that customer and reinforcing brand loyalty. So you're kind of participating in the design and implementation of performance standards for Under Armour. You're not really on the phone taking those customer service calls. You're designing basically the customer service processes, procedures. You're evaluating and monitoring customer contact drivers, reporting out to leadership. You're supporting the upkeep of the IVR, that like automatic telephone thing where it's like press 1 for this, press 2 for this. You're kind of upkeeping that, enhancing it to drive continuous improvement. I know a lot of customer service people, when they call in a customer service, they get irritated with that phone system. They just want to be able to get to someone who can help them, like talk to a real person. So you're just ensuring the hours of operation are accurate across different campaigns, collaborating with the contact center and training partners to make sure the ongoing training needs are met. So you're really just kind of making sure that looking for ways that you can improve Under Armour's customer service, basically. No college degree is needed for this one, just somebody who has great communication skills, somebody who can listen actively and kind of take in information, present your thoughts to your teammates clearly in an actionable way. You've got to be able to work in a fast-paced environment, of course, navigate around computer systems, use those Microsoft Office systems like Excel for reporting, Outlook for email. And they want somebody who is familiar with like KPIs, like service levels, average handle times. So someone who's just familiar with customer service processes of procedures. Now, pay for this one is anywhere from $20.63 an hour up to $28.37 an hour. If you know a little bit about Zendesk or like ticketing systems, UpSwing is hiring. Now, UpSwing is a company that kind of tries to partner with different colleges, trying to provide like non traditional solutions for college students. They only have 33 reviews though, so please always do your own research before giving any companies your personal information. They have a 3.8 out of 5-star rating. They're looking for remote work from home support specialist. Now, this is going to be a part-time position. So they're looking for somebody to kind of be that first point of contact for users using their online platform or their specific software platform. You're going to respond to questions and technical issues that come up primarily through Zendesk. So that's going to be like an online ticketing system. A lot of that is kind of done through email. But you're really troubleshooting the tech issues, the platform issues, helping provide step-by-step guidance for the users, escalating any issues when needed. You're just kind of a liaison, being the go-between between the product and engineering team. So if you can't figure out how to help the user, you might report a bug that needs to be fixed by the engineering team. You might escalate that up to them. You're just maintaining detailed documentation through Zendesk and the computer system of all those user-reported issues and the resolutions or any feature requests for the platform that they have too. No college degree is needed for this one. Just somebody who has 1 to 2 years experience in some kind of customer support or tech support role. Somebody who can work those Zendesk ticketing systems. You have great communication skills, great problem solving skills. And again, sadly, this one did not list pay. That will need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.